Hello dear fans. What will happen if the sun goes out? According to the calculations of modern astronomers, the sun will exist in its current form for another 5 billion years. Without it, life on Earth cannot exist for a long time and even more so to emerge. The sun went out. If you turn on your imagination and arm yourself with some knowledge, you can guess what will happen when the sun goes out. Solar energy is the root cause of life on Earth. It launches many processes on our planet that are vital for all organisms. Immediately after the termination of the receipt of the energy of the sun on the Earth's surface, it will begin to freeze gradually. Within 45 days, the planet will finally be covered with a thick layer of ice. The first will be land, especially areas far from water sources. The seas and oceans will be the last refuge of solar energy on the freezing Earth, because most of it is absorbed by the hydrosphere. The temperature in the ocean, even at a depth of 35 meters, is about 15 degrees. Plants will die within a few days. The disaster will prompt people to look for alternative sources of heat. One of them is the greenhouse effect. Infrared radiation coming from the surface of the planet will be delayed by clouds for some time, preventing it from cooling. But the clouds will disappear after a short time, since the water, due to the lack of solar energy, will no longer evaporate. Perhaps people will start burning the forest to create a greenhouse effect due to the high concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Mineral resources and nuclear fuel can also serve as energy sources, but humanity will be deprived of the main element necessary to maintain life: oxygen, which was produced by plants. We'll have to create an artificial environment for their cultivation. Salvation for some people will be possible if they fly into space. However, modern technology will not allow them to stay there for a very long time. In space, they will find their last refuge. Evolution of the sun. All of the above is only a model, possible provided that the sun actually goes out. This is possible only in 5 billion years, when all hydrogen disappears, the main source of thermonuclear energy, thanks to which all processes take place inside and on the surface of the star. Before that happens, the sun will give the inhabitants of the Earth an unpleasant surprise. The final court of his life as a source of heat will be the transformation into a red giant. Its temperature will rise several times, which will have a detrimental effect on the Earth. The oceans will begin to boil, the land will turn into a scorched wasteland. Then the star will turn into a white dwarf. Thanks for watching.